I'm rolling fast because I'm still in a slight memory jam here, buddies. There. It's going to have to go quick. So, these cross sections in this movement happens is comes back into you. Not away. Way over here. Okay. What you need to know in the golf realm is put it and don't change it. Okay? Number 2. That will propel this leg and knee behind this section. Okay, that's a compound pivot, whatever you want to call it. Okay, the hip socket. Hip socket. Let's say hip. Okay, slowly opens as this forearm action influences this guy and this guy. So in other words, we're using all this, but not this because it's already been pressured. Okay? Isometrics. Yeah, the femur bone, whatever you call it. Don't think somebody that wasn't born yet told you that.